In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways to export leads from LinkedIn with 4 different use cases. So let's dive into it. So right now, I am inside LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And as you know, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is pretty weak when it comes to exporting leads out of the platform. It's basically impossible. So what I'm going to do is using a Chrome extension that is called Find Email. In just one click, I can export my LinkedIn Sales Navigator search in a CSV file with all the leads, all the LinkedIn URLs, all the valid B2B email addresses of my leads, and the phone numbers as well. And so I can then push it to a specific list and find email. So that is the first way to export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, LinkedIn in general. The second thing is that you can use a breakcold, which is a sales CRM inside LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And in one click, you see I have a lots of BR sync button right there. And in just one click, you can add the person to the CRM. And so you cannot do it in bulk because we don't want to automate LinkedIn because it's the kind of thing that can get you banned. That's why we don't do it on many pages. We want to be respectful of LinkedIn as much as possible. And so that way, like you can push the person to the CRM and you can say, okay, we want this person to be in that specific list. And from there, you can just manage the CRM from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which is very, very powerful. So now that we've talked about like LinkedIn Sales Navigator, let's talk about LinkedIn, regular LinkedIn. So right now we are on one of my LinkedIn posts. As you can see, it's from 3 days ago. It's a LinkedIn carousel, and I got some engagement on this. Not exceptional, but still decent. And the thing is, like again, using findgmail.com. So you see, I have even like these funny memes with AI using Ideogram. If you guys want to check it, it's a very good software. So essentially, like using findgmail.com, I can export the likers and the commenters in a CSV file in just one click. So here I'm going to click here and you see I can push the likers to a specific list. And it's actually very safe because you're not like automating heavily LinkedIn. So it's safe for your profile. And so then from there, you can use this in a cold emailing software to retarget the likers and commenters. So you can do that on your own post, but you can also do it on your competitors' post if they have a much, much bigger audience than you. So now let's dive into the fourth and final method to export leads from LinkedIn. The final way is used daily by hundreds of customers. And it's basically, again, this BR sync button that allows you to import the lead inside Brackel Sales CRM. And so from there, again, you can get access to your notes on the leads, what happened with the leads, your task, like pretty much like a tons of information related to it. And essentially, yeah, it's scraping like some information right there when it comes to the location. So yeah, that's pretty much like 4 ways on how to export leads from LinkedIn. And once you have exported these leads, what can you do with them? So once you've exported the leads from LinkedIn, you can import them in a sales CRM like Brackle. And the thing is, whether they are cold leads or warm leads, what you're going to be able to do is that first, you're going to be able to aggregate the LinkedIn posts to engage with them. And so if you don't want to spend hours seeing if your leads are posting about something related to your offer, because liking and commenting LinkedIn posts that are very linked to your offer is something very powerful. And you see, in just one click, I can get all the LinkedIn posts of my leads that are using like the keywords that I care about. And so from there, I can like and comment the post natively in the CRM, but I can also reach out the person on LinkedIn, Telegram, email. I can even call them if I want. So that is very something that is super powerful. Another thing that is super powerful is that you can also like chat with them on LinkedIn, and just with your leads by using this button right there, you can focus on all your LinkedIn conversations versus only your leads inside the software. And again, from there you can like chat but also engage with the post at the same time. So that's pretty much what you can do to 4 ways to export leads from LinkedIn, and also one way with one software to be on track to auto aggregate your conversations, interactions with your leads on LinkedIn. Cheers, bye.